Ooh. Hello. For the last like 1 week, I've been really sick. I'm not sure what's happening. I took a COVID test. I tested negative. And it started off with like, whoa, it is really fuzzy. I don't know how to make it less fuzzy. It started off with a sore throat. It kind of hurt to like swallow, and then I lost my voice, which is not unusual for me. I've been losing my voice a lot. Then I had a little bit of cough, and then I got better. I went to go play pickleball a couple days ago, and then after pickleball I got so sick. During pickleball I burned like 750 calories, pretty typical for like a 2-hour pickleball play, and I was fine during pickleball. I was absolutely fine. I was having so much fun. I didn't feel low energy until like the very end, and I think mostly that's just because of like adrenaline and excitement. I love pickleball, and any kind of like sport, I feel like I get all this energy out of somewhere. I came home and I was feeling like very fatigued. I took a shower and then I fell asleep, and I woke up. My nose was stuffed. I was sneezing all over the place. I had this cough that like started in my chest, and that was 2 days ago. Now it's nearing an end of another week and a weekend that I have to cancel more plans. Last weekend I had to cancel so many plans. I had to cancel my Friday night plans and my Saturday morning brunch with my friends, and I was feeling so crappy. I was so upset. I was just so upset. I didn't think I would be so upset for someone who claims she is antisocial. I love hanging out with my friends, so that really upset me, but I sound really bad, and today is Thursday, and I canceled my plans for tomorrow evening, and I didn't really have any set plans for Saturday. So, whatever, I'm just really upset about canceling plans again and still being sick. I'm not sure what's happening, and I'm the only one in my house that's sick too. The cats, Luna and Loki, have been giving me great company. I've been stretching every morning. This is my library, right here. This is my library, and then I have a little spot down here for right here. I do yoga. Every morning I do yoga here. I love my little library. This is like my safe space. There's a few other things that I need to pick up for the loft. I have a tiny little like circular rug here, but it's not working for the space, so I'm gonna get a rectangular rug, like a 8x10. I think will fit nice in here, and then I'll put my yoga mat over that too. And then I'm also on the lookout for a couch and maybe a lamp. I have a lamp downstairs that I use occasionally. I'm thinking about bringing that up here until I get another lamp. But while I've been sick, I've also been reading and editing and posting on YouTube and Instagram, which has been amazing. And I've also been doing a lot of like self-reflecting and journaling, and I feel a little cooped up. I feel upset. You know, like when you're so cooped up, you think about all the mistakes you've ever made in your entire life. Yeah, that's what's been happening the last 2.5 days. But yeah, some of the books that I read, I finished, oh my gosh. And every morning, the way home gets longer and longer. This was so beautiful. It's a very short book, but this is about a grandpa explaining to his grandson what dementia, Alzheimer's, what it feels like from his point of view. It's extremely beautiful, and I loved it, and I think I'm gonna do a read on this. And a book very similar to this that I just finished is What Does It Feel Like by Sophie Kinsella. This is my first book by Sophie Kinsella, and this is kind of autobiographical, but she says it's not. She says it's not completely autobiographical. She said she's like changed a lot of details about this book, but this is basically about a woman who had brain tumor. She gets it removed, but she also loses her memory. It's a very short book. It's very emotional. I really liked it. It was amazing. I guess one of the reasons I was thinking about, you know, all the shit that I've been thinking about the last few days, you know, like the mistakes I've made, just like everybody else, is I think because of these two books. Because both of these books had characters who are, you know, dealing with some kind of memory loss, but also they're recollecting everything that's happened in their lives and kind of explaining to the reader of the books some of the more bigger moments throughout their life. It's my washer. And I also finished the book The Library at Mount Char by Scott Hawkins. And I think the only thing I can say about that book is first of all, it took me 1.5 months, maybe even close to like 2 months, maybe 3 months actually. I have to check the dates to read it. And it was the most confusing thing ever for like the first 50%. And even the whole entirety of the book, I was very confused, but it was very good. I really liked it. It was different. Happy Friday. This is a few days later. Still sick. Energy wise, I'm a little better. I feel like I have body pains, but much better than I was before. I was just sitting here thinking how fortunate I feel to have two beautiful other little beings, souls in the house, causing chaos, making a mess, they don't make a mess, honestly. They really don't. It's very minimal. What they do is, if there is a mess in the house, like if there's like dust or dirt or like cardboard boxes or something like that, they will mess with that, and that will make a mess. It's not entirely them, but they do force me to clean a lot, which is good. I have family coming over tonight. I have a few things I want to do. I want to clear the dishwasher. There's no dishes to do. I just need to clear the dishwasher. I did laundry yesterday, so I want to fold the laundry. I want to put some fresh sheets in the guest bedroom. I've been sleeping in the guest bedroom recently because there's a window in there, and also Loki and Luna love it in the guest bedroom because it's very bright in there at all times, and I love it too. So I was sleeping in there. So what I did was took off all the sheets and the blankets, and I washed those, and I sanitized the nightstands and vacuumed and all those things. So what I'm going to do is put on fresh sheets, and then it'll be ready. I also put an air purifier in there for a little while, just to be, extra cautious. Who's coming is my cousin, my favorite person in the entire world. She lives about 90 miles away from me, and we visit each other often. So it's not like I need a well-kept house, but what I am trying to avoid is her getting sick. We vacuumed upstairs completely. Do some skincare because I feel like my skin is being very dry right now. I'm blowing my nose a lot, right? Get down, Luna. Oh no, let me take care of this. Girls.
You know nothing about
Yeah, what is it?
Nom 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 nom. Okay. Loki, look.